Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you that what is the best way to update your Shopify store. This topic is most important. Why? Because if you have a Shopify store, you have installed a theme, there are multiple apps which you are using. So at the end, if some updates are coming into your Shopify theme or maybe in the apps, so how you will be dealing with all these problems. So first of all, the question is that why updating store is important. So the first thing is that security purpose. So for example, Shopify has updated a specific theme. Because of security, there are few bugs which they have solved, or maybe they are providing any specific feature which is quite useful. So at that moment you have needed to improve all the things by updating your store. So security risks may be there. Why? Because for example, Shopify has solved a problem which was just creating a security risk, for example a data loss or maybe any other issue. So they have solved that issue. So as soon as possible you have to update your store with the latest one. Alright, so what is the way to solve this problem? The first thing is that you should take the backup of your theme or maybe the app. So for example, you can see on my dashboard here I have down theme. So here we have the action, and once you are clicking on action, then you should click on duplicate theme. Alright, so once you are clicking on duplicate, that means you are creating a backup of your theme. So if there is a modification in the theme in the latest update, then you will no more able to lose any kind of changes which you did before. So here you can see that copy of down theme, that means this is going to be backup. So at the end, for example, you did some modification in the code, so at that time the auto update would not be running. Why? Because you will have to manually update the theme or maybe the app. So how you will be doing that? If you know coding, if you have done any editing in the code, so at that time you only need to backup first of all your theme or maybe the app, and then after you need to download the theme again from the latest one, and then after you should upload that theme from here. Here you can see that add theme, upload zip file. So for example, you downloaded the latest version, you should upload from here, and then after you should click on edit action, then you should click on edit, and wherever you will have done the modification before, so those things you should do the changes, alright, by just copying and pasting the code. So for example, this is the original down theme and this is the backup. So you can also duplicate this screen, and then after you can open one theme in this, and for example this is the latest one, and another here this is the copy of the down theme. You should click on actions and you can click on edit code. So in this way you can actually compare the code which you did before, and then you can copy and paste the latest code, and other features which are latest one, that would be automatically updated to your latest theme or maybe the app. So this is one of the best thing which you have to keep in mind. If you are facing any issue while updating the thing, you can also ask me question below in the comment section. If still not helpful, then you can connect me. I will be adding contact details below in the description. So in that way you can actually solve your problems, and this is quite important that you should upgrade your store or maybe update your theme, update your app, because there are a lot of security risks, and the companies which are providing these themes and apps, they are actually forcing you to update the latest version. Why? Because they already know that if you are losing the data, you are facing any kind of problem, that problem is not only for you, that problem is also for them. Why? Because you are not satisfied with their products. If you are losing any data, then you will blame the company owner who has created the theme or maybe created the app. So at that to simplify everything, you should actually update everything, keep everything up to date, so that you should not face any kind of issue. And the proper way which I explained is that you should copy, duplicate the things, and then copy and paste the changes. Alright, so this is the way you can actually improve the things. So thank you so much for watching this video. In the next video I will be coming up with the new things for you. So if you are new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel and also like this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.